This free tutorial will show you how to bookmark a page online with Safari completely for free. If you like what you see, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe to the channel with all notifications. If you want to learn how I create content online and save hundreds of hours per year, click the link down below, scan the QR code, and enjoy the tutorial. Okay, so to get started, to bookmark a page for Safari online completely for free, and type in a website that you would like to bookmark. And once your website has been opened up or loaded, you want to go down to the bottom hand screen here in Safari and click the third option right here, which is the share icon next to the book reading icon or the middle part of your screen. So click and then scroll down. Now we have a couple options to do. We can copy, add to the reading list, or bada bing bada boom, add to bookmark, which is the third option. So click this. As you can see, it saved this. You can even change it. It has the website. So I'm just going to click here and just type in whatever it is that you want, as it's customizable, and then click save on the top right hand screen. Now when we go to the fourth option, or this book reading icon, and it's the first option right here, you can scroll down and bada bing bada boom, you have your website saved or bookmarked on Safari completely for free. Again, if you want to learn how you can save hundreds of hours and money online per year creating content, click the link down below, scan the QR code, and thanks for watching this tutorial.